manufacturer has standards they refuse to compromise. Over 80 years, ZOLLER is helping manufacturers to achieve those standards through the advanced tool presetting, tool inspections, and tool management solutions. But the great manufacturing isn't built by technology alone. It is built by people. That's what the Manufacturing Maestros celebrated since the very beginning. Recognizing the leaders whose commitment and vision continue to raise the benchmark of the Indian manufacturing. As a partner from first edition, we had a privilege to seeing this initiative grow into a strong manufacturing community. The Bangalore edition reflected that journey perfectly, bringing together manufacturing leaders, meaningful conversation, and the celebration of the excellence. It was inspiring to see the community growing stronger with every edition. We are proud to nominate manufacturing leaders whose innovation and commitment continue to strengthen the Indian manufacturing. Pune has always been home to the manufacturers who set the benchmark for the industry. Join us on 6th August. We look forward welcoming you.